Hello and welcome to the Alberts Hydronic Flow Control Training Room in Almere. My name is Rob Clemson. I'm the Technical Director for Flamco in the UK. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Simplex KFE ball valve, probably one of our best kept secrets in our product range. I'd like to go through some of its more unique and useful features. Two of the very key features about this valve are the fact that it's got this very unique sealing ring, which means that you can create a pressure type joint without using tools. Hand tight is enough to give us enough protection for the pressure. One of the other key features is the detachable handle, which means that when you've got restricted access with the handle out of the way, you can actually work in a very restricted space. One of the other key things about the detachable handle design is it creates for a vandalism and tamper-proof solution. Here we can see that we need special tools to be able to get in to access the valve. Putting the handle back on is a very positive connection, so you can feel that it's very secure. But what happens when somebody has misplaced the handle? We've got you covered. We have a secret tool hidden inside the cap, which makes it easy to activate and open and close the valve. Let's think about the operational characteristics of the valve. What we have is a 12mm through borehole, which means 50% faster filling, 50% faster draining. It's a very, very good flow and velocity we can get through this very compact valve. But let's talk about the connection of the Simplex KFE ball valve. We have a Eurocone connection on both the pressure side and also on the drain and top-up side. We have a flat face connection on both sides if that's how we want to connect to our system pipework. And let's not forget that unique Simplex sealing ring, allowing us to make a pressure tight joint with our bare hands. With more than 70 million sold, there's decades of experience and installations benefiting from this incredibly durable product. And what's more, we offer a 5-year warranty against manufacturing defects. At Alberts Hydronic Flow Control, we specialise in making products that work together. That's excellence. For more information, contact us or visit our website.